Hi, I'm Seng. So they'll show you how to assign an agent, record the agent sales in FoodZaps. So first go to the setting, then go to the discount /reopen/agent. Okay, so just put all of your agent name, let's say Aaron, and then you click put, enter, so that each line is a new agent. So you can, I have Aaron, Ben, Carol, and David. Then click save and exit. So let's say for example, one of my agent, Aaron, he is doing the sales for me. He ordered for 3 fried chicken, and I click here. Click here. So I select on the payment or agent. So I select Aaron. Then click OK. Then click OK. So this bill is under the agent Aaron. Then I click paid. So in the bill, it shows that this bill is under agent Aaron. Let's say there's another agent. So his name is Ben. Click OK. So this bill is under agent Ben, and just click paid. So in the report, under the agent sales, you can see there's an Aaron and a Ben. So they got 3 items and 4 items. So it shows that the total item sales for 30 ringgit and 40 ringgit. So we can check from here all the details, 30 and 40. Other than that, if you want to check on ABoss, which is on the cloud, so log into your aboss.foodzaps.com. So go to the outlet data, then click on the receipt and bill, then click on the new report, and then select on agent sales. Just click it. So from here it will show that this year. So from here you can check that the agent sales Ben and the agent sales Aaron. That's all for today. Thank you. Support system, Ta Seng.